You can see him coming down the road and up our driveway. He's coming up between the two cars. He's in front of my car. Security light has come on. Checking my car. Oh, he's checking my car. The bike. It's climbing into my vehicle. Just checking the glove box. Searching for money. Taking the money. $40 in coins. Flashlight out, I think. Checking the glove box again. Looking in the back seat. Climbing out. Back into the car. Now he's in the center console. Just taking my watch, my knife. On the flashlight. No, I'm not. Back seat. Digging through the back seat. Lifted up my jacket. For anything of value. I don't think he found anything else. I don't notice anything else missing. Just checking the trunk. Trunk's open. I don't think he took anything out of there either. The trunk. Flashlight swinging around. Now he's checking my wife's Prius. He's picking up his bike. And he set off the other light. And he's riding off my stuff. 4 minutes and a half. I think he's going down the drive there.